morning, Steve Freeman in Chicago with the morning grain comments. Well, I hope everybody had a good weekend. As far as weather is concerned, on Friday, the 8 to 14 day map talked about warmer and drier conditions across the Midwest. We still had a sharp sell-off in the marketplace once we could not push through some key technical areas, and also last week at those same areas in corn and beans, farmers picked up cash sales. The 6 to 10 day calls for mostly warm conditions and dry west of the Mississippi. We'll be seeing rains east of the Mississippi, and the extended outlook continues to call for scattered showers across the Midwest, especially the northern Midwest, with warmer temperatures in the southwest Midwest. As far as global weather is concerned, Russia, Ukraine, still looking at warm and dry conditions, and talk of lower crops. Ukraine corn and Russia wheat. We've also noted that the continued concern about the quality of the French crop, and as far as wheat is concerned, the fact that U.S. sold spring wheat to Italy suggests that at least spring wheat is competitive to spring wheat buyers. As far as the markets are concerned right now, beans down 17 cents at 10.24. Corn down 2 at 3.92. Wheat down 3 at 5.19. Outside markets, equities continue to rally. The dollar's a little bit higher. Crude's a little bit lower, and gold is a little bit higher. Got a Fed meeting this week. No one expects them to lower U.S. rates this week, but many expect them to lower rates in September. There is some talk that the combination of slower economy here in the U.S. and world and lower rates could weigh on the U.S. dollar. Crude's back to $77, unconcerned about demand. On Friday, one of the crop groups put out an S&D which suggests that because of lower maybe demand on exports, U.S. 23-24 carry will be bigger than what the USDA is saying. They also put in a record soybean yield and did increase demand by as much as 300 million bushels, but the carryout is still close to 500 million bushels, which is negative to prices even at these levels. In the corn, they did show a little bit increase in 23-24 demand, a little bit lower carryout than what the USDA is saying, but if you plug in a record corn yield and your corn carryout for next year gets close to 2.4 billion if we have a 182 corn yield. And in the wheat, they have a little bit lower wheat number simply because of higher exports potential than what the USDA is saying. So soybean oil under pressure as the appeals court overruled some waivers for biofuel. Again, this is not ending them, it just means that the EPA has to go through case by case.